In psychology, a projective test is a personality test designed to let a person respond to ambiguous stimuli, presumably revealing hidden emotions and internal conflicts projected by the person into the test. The responses to projective tests are content analyzed for meaning rather than being based on presuppositions about meaning, as is the case with objective tests. Projective tests have their origins in psychoanalysis, which argues that humans have conscious and unconscious attitudes and motivations that are beyond or hidden from conscious awareness. Association techniques included under association techniques are those instruments that tend to minimize ideation and emphasize immediacy of response. The subject is instructed not to reflect but rather to respond to the stimulus with the first word, image, or percept that occurs to him. Word association. An early and well-known example is the word association technique, which involves the oral presentation of a series of disconnected words, one at a time, to which the subject is instructed to respond with the first word that occurs to him. Typically, both the subject's association and reaction time to each word are recorded. Rorschach and other ink blot tests are examples of this technique. Construction techniques require the subject to go beyond simple association to a stimulus and to create or construct a more elaborate product, which is typically a complete art form, such as a story or picture. The TAT consists of cards containing black and white pictures of vague scenes, and the instructions request the subject to compose a story to fit each picture, describing what the people are thinking and feeling, what led up to the scene depicted, and what the outcome will be. Analysis of TAT stories, which are usually recorded verbatim, is far from standardized, although a number of general scoring systems have been proposed. Completion techniques present some type of incomplete product, with the requirement that the subject complete it in any manner he wishes and the restriction that the completions meet certain standards of good form or rationality. Best known of these devices are the sentence completion tests, which are widely used by both clinicians and personality investigators. Typically such a device consists of 30 to 100 brief sentence stems which the subject is instructed to complete with the first words that come to mind. Choice or ordering techniques require the respondent to choose from a number of alternatives the item or arrangement that fits some specified criterion, such as meaningfulness, relevance, or attractiveness. The Zondi test. The test materials consist of 48 photographs of individuals drawn from 8 psychiatric diagnostic categories. The test is based on the assumption that a person can be described in terms of 8 need systems, presumably reflected in the photographs, with the subject's selections and rejections indicating the degree of strength or tension in each. Expressive methods differ from construction techniques in that they place as much emphasis upon the manner and style in which the product is created as upon the product itself. They are often considered to be therapeutic as well as diagnostic devices, since the subject is presumed to relieve his difficulties in the process of revealing them. Play. Most popular among the expressive instruments are play techniques. Originating in play therapy, these methods have been adapted for the diagnosis and measurement of personality, primarily in children. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.